Hey, so today we're at a client's house, and this particular client just got gutters this morning and wanted to talk about some things to keep in mind. So you can see here, this is the downspout. This particular downspout right here comes almost the entire back length of this house, and it dumps all of its water right here. So clients always ask me, what are we gonna do? Well, we need to figure out how to get that water away from the house as much as possible. Because what happens when the water comes out of here, it's gonna get right here where there's nowhere for it to go. It's gonna come right here where I'm standing and get right up against the house. The other thing is, if we can get this this water here and get it out there away from the house, as you can see, into this grass area, it will absorb up into the dirt some more. So this particular situation, we see this a lot of times, especially in these spec houses here in the Middle Georgia area where the houses are 15 or 20 or 30 feet apart. Your downspouts dropping in, your neighbor's downspouts dropping in to the same area, and the ground just can't soak up the water. And then we find out that the turf dies because it's overwatered. That we run into fungus issues and diseases. We run into muddy yards, things like that, all because of these simple downspouts. So when you're building your home or you're getting gutters put on your house, be thinking about those downspouts, where they're located, and how you can get that water away from your house. So just keep that in mind. Hope that helps when you're getting those gutters.